What's up, guys? This is Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today I'm going to be applying the Whitestone Dome Premium Screen Protector to my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So here's the packaging. Got to give a big, huge shout out to Whitestone Dome for sending this over along with a lot of other accessories. And we're going to drop this on there, give me some great protection. So here's the packaging that it comes in. 4 full solutions. Full response, full clarity, full coverage, full filling. Now this is going to come with your UV light for curing as well. These are going to cost you about 40 bucks. I'll drop a link where you can pick these up. It's going to be a 2-pack in here. And some more of the features and details of this. You're going to have full coverage without lifting, high transparency, no colored edges, no dot matrix. Does not affect touch screen sensitivity, high surface hardness, prevents scratches, surface hardness 9H, anti-fingerprint coating, thin processed glass, shatter resistant film, and rounded bevel edges. Blue light cut, I should say. So those are a few of the features and details. I'm going to go ahead and get everything out of the box and we'll come right back. Okay, guys, so here's everything that's included in the packaging. You're going to have your device here that holds your phone. You're going to have your 2 screen protectors. You're going to have this little guide right here that's going to let you know when to release your screen protector. You got your UV connector. You got your solutions. You got a couple of adapters here. And you do have these little stickies here. These you're going to place on your device to help keep the glue from going in different places on your phone. And then all of this is a 2-pack, so everything you see is doubled because they're giving you 2 screen protectors. And then you're also going to have in this package, you're going to have a couple of these little sponges. I'm just going to take 2 of them out. You're going to have your wet wipes. You're also going to have your dust removal tools here. And then you're going to have your microfiber cleaning cloth, which I'm only going to take 1 of them out. They give you several of them. And we're going to put the other stuff to the side. So let me get this cleaned up and we'll start with the application. All right, guys, so we're back in. I moved some of that stuff out the way. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and power off my device. And that way we can get this thing ready to go. So the device is powered off. Now I want to take these little stickies and put them on to protect it so we don't get glue where it doesn't need to go. So let's go ahead and peel this off. And I'm going to start at the bottom here. And you don't want glue to get into your S Pen slide or any of that. So let's go ahead and get this on there. So you just simply line it up like so. Guys, since I have it all taped up and everything, I'm going to go ahead and set the phone over to the side. I'm going to go ahead and put these little spongy type deals here, strips in here. And what this does is to help to catch any that may try and run over the sides. So put those in there. So next, I'm going to go ahead and snap my phone in. Now it does say speaker at the top and S22, so this is going to be where your phone's going to go here, and this will snap in place just like that. So next I'm going to take my alcohol pad and go ahead and clean this thing up. Get this nice and clean. Some people, clean this before they put it in. I've seen people do it this way, just like this. Take your microfiber cleaning cloth and wipe it down, get the residue off. I'm going to take a look at it and see. All right, guys, so next I'm going to take my dust removal sticker here and just get the dust off of it. I'm going to do this, this time, and then I'll do it again before I actually go to apply the screen protector on there. But you want to make sure you try and get all the dust off there. So I saved my sticker there. So next I'm going to take this little piece here and put it on. Now this is going to be for your to protect your speaker up here at the top. And kind of tricky doing this behind the camera and stuff, guys, so kind of bear with me. So there it is, just like that. Then you're going to take this little piece and it's going to help to hold down the speaker there, the sticker. It's going to go through just like this. There it is. So next I'm going to take this little piece. This is the release for your screen protector. And I'm going to drop it in there just like that. And then next you have your little guide here. This holds your solution. So you're going to go ahead and drop that in place. You want to unscrew the pink first on here. Well, let me go ahead. I want to go ahead and do the dust removal one more time. Make sure no dust getting in there. I don't have my AC unit on or my heat at all. Just trying to keep the dust down in here. All right, so we're going to put this back in place. Going to go ahead and unscrew the pink one. And you want to take that and screw it in place right here. All right, once you get that in place, you want to go ahead and unscrew the black cap. And this releases the solution on there. You guys see? Just let that sit for a minute. Now mine is trying to run down already. So I'm going to stop it right quick. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. So my desk, I thought it was level. So we're just going to roll that back up. Okay, guys, so my desk is a little bit uneven here, so I had to place something on it to keep the solution from running down there, guys. So next, we're going to take the screen protector, and we're going to drop it right in place here. And I do have a level right here, and I checked my desk, and it says it's level, but the solution started running right away. So next, we're going to take this piece, and when the solution gets to this X on here, then you release your screen protector. And this is kind of weighted here, so all right, so here we go. So the solution is running. And now I'm going to release the screen protector, and there it is. So now you just let that run all over the display here. Just let it go for a while, and then we'll finish the video after this. All right, guys, so last we're going to take and do 15 seconds middle, top, and bottom with the UV light. Okay, guys, so this has been my application of the Whitestone Dome Premium Stream Protector. As you guys see, it came out great. There are a few little specks in there, but there could be some dust that got in there. I do recommend that you make sure that your surface is flat. Now, I did take my little gauge, my little level right here, and it showed that my desk was flat, but my solution started to run before I was ready for it to run, but came out great still, and everything still works on this. The fingerprint sensor, I haven't re-registered it, and strolling about on the device is great as well. Let's go ahead and try out the S Pen here. You guys see, no issues here. Just like writing on the included display that was in from the factory, so no issues there. You do have a little residue when you get through putting it on, but I think it came out great, man. So I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. I'm Will. This is Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.